Hi, this is Dave here, and today I'm going to go over the Razorcart search module. So I've already added the module to the page, and when you add the module to the page, it actually adds four modules. The quick search, which is a keyword search, the advanced search, which is a category drill down with a keyword and a price filter, and then it also has a save search feature. The My Save searches just shows you all of your saved searches that you can then click, and then the search results, which displays thumbnails of your searches. So let's go over each one. So the quick search has a cool feature, the autocomplete. So once I start typing, it's going to automatically look up into the database and find products so to help me choose. So if I start typing every keystroke, it's going to look. So I just typed in an R, and it finds three products that have an R: Forza Racing, Power Rangers, and Gravity Rush. So I'll choose Forza, click search, and there it goes. It also has a little indicator up here to show you what you just searched for, and you can click the X to clear that search. Okay, so let's move to the advanced search. So the advanced search is a category level drill down. So it's going to start with your top level categories and then drill down to subcategories. So for example, if you're searching for, say, car parts, I'm sure you've seen like a year, make, model search. So you start with the year, choose the year of your car, and then it shows you all the car makes, and then you choose the make of the car, and then it'll show you all the models for that car. Um, so let's go over that real quick here. So the top level categories, I have two top level categories, Xbox and PlayStation. So I'll choose Xbox, and then it's going to show me all the categories that I have under Xbox. I have three: action, sports, and racing. So I'll choose action. Now I only have two categories levels deep here. So if I had more categories under the action, Xbox action category, it would display a third drop down. And it will continue to display uh, drop downs for as many category levels deep as you have defined in your portal, which is really a nice drill down search feature. So I've just chosen Xbox action, and I click search, and there you go. It displays the results. Um, if you want to save this, so let's choose sports and click search. So I only have one game under sports. So if you want to save that search, then you check the box and you just type in the name that you want to save that. Um, so I'll just type in Xbox Sports, and then when you click search, it saves it. So now you can see I have three saved here: my Halo search, my Xbox Action games, and my Xbox Sports games. And then you can also add a keyword. In addition to the category level searches, you could add a keyword to this, and then it also has a price filter that I don't have enabled. We're going to go to the settings in a minute so I can show you that. Okay, so that's module number 2 of the search module. So the third module is the save searches, which I just showed you. If you check this box and give it a name and you click the search, it's going to save whatever search criteria you've entered. And then the search results, which is displays the search results, thumbnail, um, product name, SKU, price, and it's got a pager built in, and then it has these little indicators of what you've searched for that you can clear if you want. So if I want to clear, uh, you just click the X and clear it out. So that's the front end, and then all of these modules that we're looking at here are all configurable in the Razorcart admin. So if you go to your Razorcart admin here, and you go to store setup, templates, view sets, and you scroll down Here's the search. So just like all these view sets work the same way, and we have view sets for all front end user facing pages. So the first step is you copy it, makes a copy to the portals folder, and then you can see these are all lit up now. They're no longer dimmed, which means you have an active copy. And if you want to say, if you want to change something, say in the search results, you just click that and then click an action for edit, and it's going to open up the view set, and then you can modify it. You can add Razor C# code, or just change the HTML, the look and feel, add things that you want, and you save it. And then whenever you change a view set, it's a good idea to restart the application and clear your cache. Okay, so that's if you want to edit the UI of the search module. So let's go back to the search module and let's take a quick look at the settings. So I'm going to go in and edit the page and I'll look at the settings of the advanced search, because all the modules have the same basic settings. So I'm not going to go into each individual module because they're pretty much the same in the basic settings. So the first setting that you're going to have to configure for each one of the search modules is the store ID. So with Razorcart, it's a multi-portal, multi-store, which means that you can actually have multiple stores in a single portal or across portals. So I only have one store that I've defined for this portal, so it only shows me one store, so you would choose that. But if you had multiple stores, you'd have to select which store we're working with here. So choose that, and then the product details page, you have to choose the page where you've added the product details module to, because when you get the search results, you click the thumbnail or the product name, it's going to take you to the details page, so you need to know where that is. The search results page, you just tell it the page where you have added the search results, because you can have the search results on a different page than the advanced search module. Here in this example, I've added it to the same page, so I just choose the search page. The product grid is a new module that we've released for Razorcart, and if you select a page that you've added the product grid to, then it's going to take you to that page instead of the search results page. And the product grid is, instead of the thumbnail search results view, it takes you to more of a spreadsheet style where you can see, rows and columns instead of all the thumbnails. So you can see more data with the product grid. It's a little bit easier if you're working with like parts or something like that. Okay, so this enable collapse and start collapse just gives you if you check these, it's going to collapse the panels by default. So now the advanced search settings, these are specific to the advanced search module. So no categories is just going to display if you don't want any of the category drill down drop down boxes to display, then you would choose that. The second option, top level categories, is what I just demoed, which gives you the drill down category drop downs that goes unlimited levels deep, depending on how many you've defined in your portal. And then selected category level allows you to choose which category level you want to start with. Show subcategories is, it enables the option to show drill down or not, or just top level. And I have that selected. Enable price filtering. If I check that, that's going to show a price drop down where you can, I'll just select it and show you here. Let's close this. Okay, so I chose price range, so that just gives us an additional drop down, and this can be configured via an XML file. It's in the portals folder. So I hope this helps, and that's it for the Razorcart search module video. If you have any questions, please call or email us at sales or support at smithconsulting.com. Thank you.